Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I am in the house with the Wehr Lukas P. Here with me for a review, and I'm gonna just check it out, see how it looks, how it sounds, how it feels. Uh, Nylon pouch, it's padded, it's zippered. This guy comes with a couple extra pieces. We got titanium backspacer and titanium pocket clip, because this fella is sporting some time masks kit right over here. So let's check this bad boy out, because it's a pretty cool one for sure. Not too big. We get a 3-inch long blade, like 3.2, and a 4.2 inch long handle. Overall length of this fella is gonna be 7.5 inches, so not too big. I mean, this is a Peña Trapper. Right over here you get to see like a North Arm Knives Skaha. Sorry. Another couple here, real quick. Custom Knife Factory, that's a 520. Large Sebenza 21 and small Sebenza 21, just to give you an idea of where we are standing with this Lukas P. And just, yeah, why not? Hinder XM18, just to give you an idea of some popular blades you might be familiar with. And here you have this interesting frame lock. It's a titanium frame lock. Nicely contoured handles. There's a pretty cool chamfering going on inside, outside. Very, very good. See, it's not like flat. It's like 3D milled in a nice way, like that. Pretty cool chamfer over here in the lock bar access area, which is not too big, as you can see. We get kind of like a light, it's like a bead blast finish for these titanium scales, which are pretty thick, but they are internally milled, as you can see from here. So nice lightning pockets on the inside. Really cool job. We're gonna check in a second the weight. Large finger groove, really comfy, I would say, so it works well. You get a nice backspacer matching the pocket clip, of course, in this fancy kit, upgraded parts. Blades perfectly sitting, centered, and safely sitting, so you can't snag this thing. Really, really cool. Very nice lines, actually, when it's closed. I like this sweeping down line like that. Very good. It's underlining that the blade is tall, so I like it. Nice design. Even when it's open, it's pretty much perfect. There's a little bit here, like I would have preferred this edge just to be a little bit shorter. I understand, you know, cutting, yeah, but the flat, look at that. Flat is a little bit too high, but it's all right. You have a pretty simple construction, 2 screws for the handle, 1 for the pivot. It's gonna be a breeze to take this fella apart, so don't worry at all. You have a stainless steel lock face insert. Look at that. With the detent ball embedded, there is no dented ball ramp. The insert has a over travel lock bar stabilizer. Is screwed in from the outside. You have an external cut out relief for the lock bar right over here, which kind of shows that yeah, quite some meat left right over there. You have a tip-up carry only pocket clip, which is time masks in this case, with some nice colors popping, giving a nice splash of color. I like it. It's tip-up carry only. It's very low. I mean, this much knife is going to be sticking out from your pocket, but it works well. The tension is also good, so that's, you know, no issues whatsoever. But you cannot mount it on the other side, so just be advised. And then you get this 3.2 inches long blade. It's very interestingly done. S35 VN steel. You get some nice jimping, very functional, not too aggressive, but absolutely grippy, as they are grippy. The thumb stud, look at this, they are nicely done, not too sharp, but functional, I would say. You have dual thumb studs, you have satin flats and satin primary bevel, which is hollow ground. You have a swedge right here, which reaches the tip like so. You can see a little bit of wide sharpening at the tip on that side. You see a little bit less on this side. So the edge is not like even up to the sharpening choil, which you have right over here. Like, I would say 60% belly, a little bit of straight edge right over there. You have the Wehr logo and just the S35 yen steel logo on the back. So not much billboarding going on. I want to check, sorry guys, I want to check the thickness behind the edge. The thickness of the stock is 0.136. Behind the edge, kind of like at this point, it's going to be, yeah, you see, not too bad, 0.0125. So it's pretty thin actually behind that. So that's a pretty good job. Also, what is this sound coming from? Where? Look at that. That's a pretty deep and kind of loud thwack for a little knife like this. And when you close, it's just like a gentle click. But when you deploy, not like that, but like this, you're gonna experience a very nice thwack. Loud, deep, percussive, very good. It's nice. When you close it, just like a little, very gentle sound going on. And also the weight is not going to be crazy, you know, too bad, because the size, 4.05 ounces, not too shabby. It's good. You have a little bit of a hot spot. I mean, I have a little bit of a hot spot right over here. I feel it a little bit. It's not too crazy, but beside this little area here, I don't really feel any sharp edges. The angle here at the heel, sorry, is perfect. Just fits nicely in the palm of the hand like that. It's very comfy. The jimping is great. This area here, you see, they milled also the lock side area where the finger just hits that, and that's nicely rounded off. The accessibility of the lock bar is not ideal. You see, they milled both areas, but it's not perfect, but still it works pretty well. I mean, yeah, you can maybe like that. You see, you disengage like this, so you have a little bit more room, rather than if you want to do like that, you might be having some troubles, but it's all right. Being a small knife, I would probably, yeah, I mean, it kind of feels all right, but a little bit on the small size for a reverse grip, but in the hand it feels absolutely solid. There is no flex, there is no play. Blade locks up nicely. You have, you see, like 20% lockups of plenty of life, and being built with a lock bar insert, yeah, no problem. You can always replace that little part, and you're gonna be lock stick free for a bit. It's very nicely designed, guys. This, of course, is running on bearings, correct? Or no? It might be, because I didn't disassemble this fella. It might be on washer, guys. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Let me know in the comments, because I still have to take this guy apart. I'm not gonna take this guy apart, to be honest, but let me know what is running under the hood, because this action is snappy. It doesn't, you see, you gotta wiggle a little bit, but it just deploys like really fast, nicely. It's yeah, it's very pleasant to use. The fidgety action on this one is pretty good. You can spidey flick, you can thumb flick, you can do a slow roll, you can really play with this fella for a long time, and you're gonna be happy. The only thing is just not drop shot in the closing action, but deployment is fun for sure. Detent, nicely dialed in, pretty cool look overall, nice line, clean, gorgeous sound when you deployed. It's a nice thwack, and overall it's a pretty cool one. So there you have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, or if you prefer, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.